हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू माय चैनल एम बी वासुदेव। आप सबका मेरे चैनल में स्वागत है। आज हम पढ़ेंगे बायोग्राफी ऑफ जनरल विपिन रावत। जनरल विपिन रावत जनरल विपिन रावत was India's first CDS. The IAF MI 17V5 helicopter crashed in Kannur, Tamil Nadu, with General Vipin Rawat family members and staff on board. He was pronounced dead by the IAF along with his wife Madhulika Rawat and 11 other members. Birth, family and kids. Chief of Defence General Vipin Rawat was born 16 March 1958 in Uttarakhand. His father Lakshman Singh Rawat served the Indian Army and served on the degree of Lieutenant General. His mother was the daughter of an ex-MLA from Uttarakhand, Uttarakasi. General Vipin Rawat and his wife Madhulika Rawat survived two girls. Education. He received his formal education at Combarian School in Dehradun, Combarian Hall School in Dehradun and St. Edward's School in Simla, and later joined the National Defence Academy, Khadagwasla, and the Indian Military Academy, Dehradun, where he was honoured with the Sword Honorary. He also graduated from Defence Services Staff College, DSSC, Wellington, and the Senior Command Course of the United States Army Staff and Command College. Fort Leavenworth, Kansas. It also wore an MPhil degree in Defence Science and Diploma in Administration and Computer Science from Madras University. He was honoured with a PhD in philosophy from Chaudhry Charan Singh University, Meerut, for his research in strategic study of military resources. Military career. On December 16, 1978, CDS Bipin Rawat was again assigned to the 5th Battalion of the 11 Gorkha Rifles, the same unit as his father Lakshman Singh Rawat. He has spent 10 years in counter-insurgency operations and served in various majors to current CDS. While in the post of Major, CDS Bipin Rawat commanded a company in Uri, Jammu and Kashmir. He commanded his battalion along the LAC at Kibitu as a colonel. After being promoted to the rank of brigadier, he commanded Sector 5 of the Rashtriya Rifles in Sopore and the Multinational Brigade during a Chapter 7 mission in the Democratic Republic of the Congo, MONUSCO, where he was twice awarded the Manson Commendation of the Force Commander. Bipin Rawat assumed the role of commanding general of the 90th Infantry Division in Uri when he was promoted to the rank of Major General as a Lieutenant General. He commands the 4 Corps based in Dimapur before taking command of the Southern Army in Pune. After being promoted to the rank of Army Commander, he assumed the post of Commander General of Southern Command. Soon after, he was promoted to the post of Deputy Chief of Staff of the Army, was appointed 27th Chief of Staff of the Army by the Government of India on December 17, 2016, and took office on December 31, 2016. He was the 57th and final chairman of the Heads of State Committee Major of the Indian Army, appointed first CDS on December 30, 2019, and took office on January 1, 2020. Reducing militancy in the Northeast. He was instrumental in reducing military in the Northeast, with one of the highlights of his career in the 2015 cross-border operation in Myanmar, in which the Indian military responded successfully to an ambush by NSCNK militants. The mission was carried out by the Operational Command of 3rd Corps, Dimapur, under the supervision of Rawat. Role in surgical attacks. This was also part of the planning for the 2016 surgical attack, in which the Indian military crossed the line of control into Pakistan occupied Kashmir. Rawat is said to have been monitoring developments from the southern block of New Delhi. CDS Bipin Rawat Awards and Honors. The Bipin Rawat biography would be incomplete without the mention of these honors. During his career that has gone through more than 40 years, CDS General Bipin Rawat has received many medals and honors for distinguished service. First है परम विशिष्ट सेवा मेडल. सेकंड उत्तम युद्ध सेवा मेडल, अति विशिष्ट सेवा मेडल, युद्ध सेवा मेडल, सेना मेडल, विशिष्ट सेवा मेडल, बाउंड मेडल, सामान्य सेवा मेडल, सामान्य सेवा मेडल, स्पेशल सर्विस मेडल, ऑपरेशन पराक्रम मेडल, सैन्य सेवा मेडल, हाई एटीट्यूड सर्विस मेडल, विदेश सेवा मेडल. 50th anniversary of Independence Medal, 30 years long service medal, 20 years long service medal, 9 years long service medal, MONUSCO, MONUSCO. Other achievements of Rawat as Army Commander. Rawat also played a key role in the formation of the Army. He was instrumental in restructuring the military to reduce administrative interference, reduce duplicity, and increase combat potential. He also ensured that the man behind the car remained important, arming new assault rifles bought in the United States. He also played a vital role in the modernization of the army. However, his tenure was also marked by controversy. Under his tenure, the military accepted the government's decision to impose the disability pension angering disabled veterans by the military fraternity. CDS Bipin Rawat death. The Chief of Defence of the Indian Armed Forces has been declared dead by the Indian Air Force. He was aboard the IAFMI 175V5 helicopter which crashed near Konur, Tamil Nadu. Thanks for watching.